Hi there. Welcome to my Sunnyside studio this morning. I'm going to try something that's going to make me hold my breath. And I thought, let's turn on the camera, right? That's what we do. I'm working on Lord Macaulay. And I believe I have all the signatures ready except for adding in the fun pages, and by fun pages I mean Pitman shorthand. I've got this Wildflowers page from 1940, a little bit of color in there, an old tea-dyed Yahtzee. What I plan on doing is, and if you haven't gone over and watched it, head over to Bohemian Crafting. Eva's, not her most recent one, her second most recent. I'll put the link. And if you don't know about Eva at Bohemian Crafting, you need to know about Eva from Bohemian Crafting. She's an excellent teacher on working with inks and making regular everyday paper and cardboard suddenly become magically old and wonderful. Anyhow, her son put together 3 signatures, and I am in love with Jacob's work. I am absolutely inspired by these 3 signatures that he put together all on his own, she said, and then he said to her, "Mom, wrap these up." Put a cover on them. But he just added little pieces here and there for extra journaling. And I'm in love. I'm in love with his idea of just adding extra pieces here and there and gluing pieces on and then tearing around the edge. Oh, hello. I was hoping you were going to have a nap a little bit longer. Anyhow, I'm getting off topic. So I'm getting to work on that, and I am feeling totally inspired by Jacob's style. And I want to give all credit to Jacob, who is Eva's son from Bohemian Crafting, for this. My hat is off to that talented young person. What I need to do today that's going to make me nervous is I am still working on the cover for Miscellaneous Works. And after a consultation with my crafty crush yesterday, I was trying to decide. I knew I wanted to do something with this to make it pop and make it look kind of... I think she needs to go out. I'm going to pause. Okay, so false alarm. Anyhow, so I knew I wanted to do something to this label. And I didn't know whether I wanted to just simply put a layer of Mod Podge, whether I wanted to do a layer of gloss acrylic gel medium, or whether I wanted to go in with glossy accents. And my gut was saying glossy accents, and then of course when Nancy said, "Oh, come on, go big or go home." So you know what, go big or go home. So I do think it was too large of a surface to blend smoothly. On the other hand, now that I look at it, it's kind of cool looking, which is what I'm looking for. I enjoy quirky. So I'm okay with that. Here's where I have the hold my breath moment, because I want to make sure that the painter's tape that I put down did its job and held its seal so that any of the, you can see the glossy accents did flood outside, even though I tried to do it like, tried to channel my Martha Stewart doing the, flooding on cookies. So I went around the edge and then I tried to flood the interior, but it over flooded. So here's where I'm crossing my fingers, and I'm hoping that my my painter's tape did what I want it to do. So, what's that noise? Oh, I could hear this, but she has, she's scratching her ear, and I guess it's a good scratch. I'm going to just take that little bit for now and get what I can off. So let's just do that. And let's cross our fingers. Let me come down closer. Nope. There we go. All right. So let's see how we did. All right, I'm happy. So there was no leakage under there. Let's see here. I do like how quirky it looks. Here's where I'm running into an area where I had some flooding. I'm going to let that stay. Okay, I'm all right with that. Yes. All right, let's turn this way. Thank you for joining me for yet another nerve-wracking experience with Catherine. Now, I want to hold this part down. I want to support this part. No, honey. I think what she wants is her lunch, and it's not lunch time. I want to, isn't it funny all the different things that you find for tools that can be helpful? I want to support that edge so I don't pull up the label that I want. Yes. Little chip right here. I will go in with a dab. I'll show you right there. Tiny, oh, come on. Tiny little chip there. I will go in with just a dab with like a pin and see and get that covered. Honey, I just took you out and there was nothing there. You sniffed around. And there was nothing. But you look like you have something urgent. All right. Yes, we did it. Just feel that. I'm almost giving it a push down. I'm happy. That looks really funky and old and kind of creepy looking. So I am going to touch up that, and then I have a few ideas in mind. So thanks for joining me for this quick little nerve-wracking moment with Catherine. And it's nice to know you're there cheering me on and holding your breath at the same time. So take care. We'll talk soon.